Good morning, guys. I'm Saji, and you're watching RGB Love. And if you haven't subscribed already, like seriously, subscribe already. I'm free. My cough and cold is just not going. I'm on medication since the last 3-4 days. I don't know. It's not just not going. On the plus side, Arivir is better. He is all okay, which is brilliant. I and Arivir went to the Shreveport Shreveport Sports Complex Park yesterday, and oh my god, it was so amazing. It has a swing with a bucket seat, so Arivir could sit on a swing, and which was like so amazing. He was so happy. I also kind of held him and kind of made him slide on the slides also, which he really enjoyed, which was like brilliant. Also, there's some insects flying outside my window, so I have to go and close my window because I don't want those to come inside. I am just making some focus on me, camera. I am just making some upma for breakfast. The sunlight is a little too high. And I also got grapes for Arivir. Arivir loves grapes, except the fact that he calls every fruit pita, which is basically papita. I don't know why. He doesn't eat papita as much as he loves the word papita. So every fruit and anything that is edible and looks round, so even aloo is like papita. Tomatoes are especially papita. We don't know why. Nani ko milau? Achha. I might randomly go live on Instagram today. I don't know why I just feel like it. Especially because I think we hit 2,000 followers on Instagram, and that was so exciting, and I wasn't really able to do anything about it. I didn't even post anything about it, which I felt really bad for. So I'll see when Arivir is asleep. If I have time, I might go live on Instagram without any prior notice to any of you. So I don't even know if anybody would watch it. Well, even if one person watches it, what if nobody watches it? I have just gone live on Instagram. If anybody on Instagram is right now watching, then I'm just vlogging. So hi, that's what I'm doing. Maybe I should have done makeup. Instagram is a makeup kind of a thing. Who cares? My hair's wet. So live stream was a bit of a success. 50 of you watched, which is brilliant. 50 of you watched, which is brilliant. We had to stop it because he woke up, so obviously. Otherwise he would have just thrown my phone like he just threw my phone right now. I am currently trying to figure out how to renew our passport. So my passport is still pretty much valid. It's valid till 2021, which is brilliant. But my husband's passport is expired. But my passport is in my maiden name, so I want to check if I can still use it, or should I like get it changed into my married name? What do you call that? I don't know what you call that. Basically, if I have to update the information that now I'm married. We also need to get a passport made for Arivir. Again, don't know if my passport should say married to get a passport for Arivir, which technically it shouldn't. I mean, what about single mothers, right? A passport shouldn't have to say that I'm married for Arivir to have a passport. So I don't know. Just googling stuff and seeing what really needs to be done. And I really hope I don't have to renew my passport. That's such a headache. Let's see if I can still use my passport with my maiden name or not. Can I be honest for a minute? Like, not for a minute. I'm always honest in my vlogs. But like, can I like be really open? On holidays, even like you have to kind of drag yourself to take a bath because you're like, oh, I don't want to, I just want to chill and rest and do whatever. And on the weekend you really don't feel like taking a bath, and then you still drag yourself to take a bath because it's like, well, you just have to. But then when you're a mother, it's not just that you have to take a bath. It's like you have to give your child a bath too. So it's like twice you have to convince yourself that करना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा. I really just want to sleep right now. I don't think I've recovered completely from my cold. I just want to sleep. That is what I want to do. I also kind of need to remove this nail paint because it looks hideous. So that needs to be done. I want to tell you guys something. I like to click ugly pictures of myself and send that to my husband. Because why not? I click pictures like these and send that to my husband because he should know how beautiful his wife is. So, book पढ़नी है? राधा. राधा ढूंढ रहे हो? राधा जी ढूंढ रहे हो? This is a book which has a story of Krishan ji and there's Radha ji there. Radha. क्या? Book पढ़नी है? मम्मा पढ़ा रही है मम्मा. चलो बाहर चल के पढ़ते हैं. I have done my nails today. I did that ice water hack again today. Last time I did it, the nails came out a little sticky and I wasn't really too happy with that hack. This time, however, it seemed to have worked a lot more better. The water was definitely much more colder than last time, and I let my hands dip in it as long as I could kind of bear the cold water. And I feel even though when they came out they were a little bit sticky, but I feel that they have relatively dried out really quickly. So it takes you a couple of tries to figure out what that hack is, but once you know what it is, it works. Also, I'm boiling aloo for Aryaveer. Somehow on the weekends I just prefer boiling like a batch of aloo, a batch of potatoes, and just keeping them, because weekends are very unpredictable, and if I have boiled potatoes ready, I can. क्या हुआ? अभी घूम नहीं जा रहे बेटा, शाम को जाएंगे. हाँ, जब पापा आएंगे तब. So I feel if I have a batch of potatoes ready, I can quickly make something for Aryaveer, because again, you know, sometimes I don't get time to make a proper meal. So a quick aloo ka paratha or quick aloo wedges or aloo tikki is a proper meal and doesn't take a lot of time if you have boiled potatoes in the house. हाँ, बुक पढ़नी है एक और. अब ये वाली बुक पढ़नी है. बिजी जू है ये. ओ लेडी बर्ड. लेडी बर्ड. लेडी बर्ड. लेडी बर्ड. Lady bird, baby. Monkey. Me and my mother-in-law have to go quickly to the market. She is leaving for a week because I'm office work tomorrow, and we need to do some stuff in the market basically. I'm just going to quickly first open this first cry packet that I ordered this week. I'm hoping this is what I think it is. I've ordered two things. Wait, I need a knife. Yep, it is what I was hoping it would be. Yeah, these are child-proofing plugs. Aryaveer has been trying to put his fingers in whatever open plugs he can find. So I'm going to try and see if these work. These are from a company called Blossom, and these are called the child-proofing solution. These were for, I know how much these were for. This was for 180. 180? Yep, 180, and this is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's see if these work. Perfect. हाँ. पापा बाद में आएंगे. घूम चल रहे. चाबी ले लूं? At Venus Shoes right now, and they say that these shoes have LED light in them apparently. Look Look at that! How cool is this? So you can choose a color if you want a specific color to stop in that, or you could have like a multi-color thing going on. This is so cool. I'm sorry, it's not Venus Steps, it's Mochi, and this is so amazing. I've also got some really nice jutis from this place. I'll show you guys once I get back home. Alright, we're back home. We're very late. I am gonna go and get ready for a little, I don't even know if I can call it a date because Aravir is coming with us, so will it still be called a date? I don't know. I'm just gonna go and do my makeup, change my dress, get ready, get beautiful. That today I'm also wearing my engagement ring. It hasn't fit me for the longest time, basically because I'm fat, that's why. Today somehow it magically fit me, so of course huge possibility that tomorrow morning this finger is like highly swollen, but it's my engagement anniversary. I'm gonna wear it. I ran out midway because my memory card kind of got full, and my husband, I don't think he's ever seen me do my makeup. Like he's seen me like with the finished product obviously, but he hasn't really seen me between doing makeup. And I went out and he's like, ये क्या सफेदी सी छा रखी है. Quickly changed my wardrobe because now we all match. And Aravir. And because now we all match. And Aravir is getting anxious because हमें घूम करने हैं.
देखो लिफ्ट आ गई. उई देखो नीचे देखो.
कितना अमेज़िंग है.
अरे देखो.
already we are back home. We had a lovely dinner at Le Meridian. This Chinese was awesome, and then the desserts were yummy. Only today I was thinking, Rolly, you should really get back to dieting, and then I had dessert, so that. Anyways, the view from that restaurant was also really wonderful. Anyways, to the point, to the reason why we're sitting here, I want to show you what I got from Mochi. So I did not buy those LED shoes, although I really want to, but they're for 3,400, and a pair of shoes for 3,400, a pair of shoes that I don't even have a place to wear for 3,400 is a lot. So say suppose I was like maybe walking the runway for YouTube Fan Fest, walking the red carpet, I might have bought that, but I'm not a big enough YouTuber. Make me one, click that subscribe button, watch my videos, then maybe I'll be able to buy those shoes. Then I'll be justified to buy those shoes, but right now I have no reasons to, so I haven't bought them. But I have got these, which are so freaking amazing. I don't even know how else to, like, look at these. Look at these. How amazing are these? I cannot believe these are Mochi. I honestly never really buy a lot from Mochi. I never really get designs. Like, they have wonderful designs. I love their designs. But I personally wear flats all the time, and I can never find really nice flats there. And then I found these. Next, I want to show you these packages from Nykaa. I ordered these while their holy sale was on, and I've just received both of, like, I received one before, but I was waiting for the second one to open it with you guys. So I just got the second one today, and I cannot wait to open this. Let's open these babies up and see what do they have. I do remember a few of the items. It's usually very rare that I remember anything that I order. Sometimes I think I just sleep order. Like, I don't even know I'm ordering stuff and I order it. Don't tell my husband. Do not tell this to my husband. But I think one of the bad things about having a husband as a CA is that since he files my income tax returns and everything, he sees my bank statement. So he knows where I spend what. Surprisingly, he has never said anything about my spending so far. So this, I actually originally ordered all of this, and then I forgot some items, and then I reordered this, and then of course I ordered some extra stuff because the first thing out is the Nykaa So Matte lipstick. I already have one in, I don't remember what color that is, but this is the Hot Fudge. This is not for me. I have ordered this for my mother-in-law. She was looking for something which is brown toned and a little different from what she already had. So I was like, you know what, let's order these. Let's order this because I have been personally loving the Nykaa matte lipstick, and I thought I'll get her one. This is Hot Fudge, so this is a deeper color. That is what the color is, and I'm not really sure if she'll like it. I'll ask her. But it's really nice, dark, deep brown. So this is for her. So basically, this package was ordered because I had to order this. It's my mother-in-law's fault that I got all of that. Anyways, in case you're wondering, the Nykaa So Matte lipstick is for $3.99, which is a good price point. Then I got the Innisfree. Is that how you pronounce it? Innisfree? Innisfree. It's a real squeeze mask. This is the aloe vera one. Then I got one which is rose, and I got one which is strawberry. These were on sale, so I got all of these at 100 rupees each. If I'm not wrong, these are face masks, and I have used a face, these are face masks, if you can clearly see in this picture. I have used a face mask before, and I really like the whole idea of it because somehow, like, just keeping a piece of paper on, I don't know, somehow it just feels really good. I really liked it, and The one that I had used was, I think I got it like from in my NB box or something, but it was from that very famous mask company. I don't remember the name. It had something with an A. The thing was, it was super expensive, so I got it in my NB box. So obviously the whole cost thing played out perfectly for me then. But to order it separately, it was just way too expensive, and I did not bother ordering it. This 500 rupees. I think that was good. Of course, if you think of it, it is a one-time use. So in that sense, I'll be using like 100 rupees on my face for once. But to argue that I don't go for facials anymore, I don't go to parlors anymore. So obviously, if I went to a parlor and if I took a facial, it would be way more expensive than 100 rupees. So pretty sure this is sasta for me. Then this, oh my god, my friend Stuti, you guys had met her in my vlog before. She swears by this. This is the Kama Ayurveda almond oil. She says she's been using this on her face for like, I know, but since like a few months, and I can actually see her skin all clear and glowing, and not just glowing but basically looking very healthy. So that is what she said. She'll buy it for me, but then I couldn't wait it, and I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it, plus sale. So I got this at 1075, and this box, I don't remember what's inside this. I know there is a L'Oreal hair color packet in this, and there is a L'Oreal primer in this. What else? There should also be a very nice lipstick that I ordered. That's what I remember. Now let's check out the prices. L'Oreal casting, darkest brown hair color, which I use. The one thing that I absolutely love about Nykaa is that they have these in small sizes. So this, if I hope I'm correct, is a Nykaa exclusive. You do not get this size anywhere else in the market. So if I have to kind of like only do my roots, if I buy from my local chemist, I have to buy the full big pack, which usually goes to waste, or I have to kind of take a bowl and empty it out in that. But I'm sorry, my cold is coming back. Anyways, I got it. This is for 300 rupees, this pack. Perfect for just doing your roots. Nykaa exclusive, so I got 2 of these. I forgot I ordered this. This is the L'Oreal waterproof super liner. I used to have this in black. I think I finished that pot. I have it currently in navy, which I do use at times, and now I got a brown one. I forgot about this. I love it that I forget about stuff, so that when I receive it, I feel so excited. The one thing that I'm so excited about is I got the Nykaa matte nail paint in this pop pink color. Look at it! Look at it! I am so excited to try this. I cannot even tell you how excited I am to try this. I am so tempted to right now stop this video, go to my washroom, get my nail polish remover from there, remove this and put this on. I am so freaking excited about this one. Second color that I got was this. This is the color 120, and this is a little bit burgundy in color. So yeah, excited to try these two out. This is 78, in case you were wondering what color it is. It's called Pink Lemonade, and this is called Ruby Blaze. Ta-da! That's the third one that I ordered. That's plain white. It's called White Chocolate Ganache, and I just feel white nails look so nice, especially during summers. I don't know why, but I'm a huge, since last year, I think last year, I don't know, but very recently I've discovered that white nails look so good. So white. Alright, we were talking about the lipstick that I got. This is the L'Oreal Bold Vortex, and before I forget, it is for 788. Okay, the original price is 1150, but on sale I got it at 788. Super creamy, which I really like. Look at that color, man. again I got something which I completely forgot about. It's the L'Oreal. Okay, this is the new lip gloss range that they have, and my mom has one of these and I found it really interesting. And although I am kind of not into glosses anymore, I used to live in glosses all throughout my college and all throughout my school also when we used to go to tuition. But I kind of lost interest in gloss. Even right now, if you give me a gloss or if you give me like a lipstick, I would choose the lipstick, which was quite the opposite while I was in college. But I really wanted to try this color out because look at how pop of pink this is. Look at how neon this is. I don't even know if I can pull this off, but I really wanted to try it. And it's called Mafia Gloss. This is the number 104. Glossy. But I love the color. It's not quite as neon as you can see in the bottle, but it's a very nice baby pinkish. I actually like it. It's nice. My battery light is flashing, so I'm going to wrap this up, although there's nothing else to say because it's pretty much all wrapped up anyways. The last item is something free that I got. I got the kajal, L'Oreal kajal free because I ordered a lot of stuff from L'Oreal. Anyways, that was all that I got from Nykaa, and I'm going to end my vlog here anyways because Aravir is asleep and I'm going to just kind of clean everything up and go to sleep myself. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already and give this video a little thumbs up for my 5th anniversary, baby. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon.